Hi guys, and welcome back to the Chef Mooney channel. Today I'm going to continue my potato recipes. I've done two previous to this. Go check them out on the channel. There's a spicy one, there's a creamy cheesy one. And I thought, you know what, I want to do something that's really simple and really cheap and not expensive. 2 potatoes, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of spinach, salt and pepper, a couple of eggs. How can you go wrong? If you've got yourself a nice little skillet or something like that, that doesn't stick, all the better. But guys, you got to give this recipe a try. It is delicious and it's just so cheap to make. Come on guys, let's go and I'll show you how to make it. Now to make this potato, cheese and spinach omelette, all I'm going to do is grate 2 potatoes. I'm going to pour some water over them, give them a good rinse through. That gets rid of all the starch and let them drain. Put them to one side. And now all I'm going to do is beat 2 eggs. I'm adding fresh baby spinach, a little bit of sea salt and some pepper, just a splash of peanut oil to get the thing going. Nice hot skillet, add your oil. And now it's time to add the potato. I will finish off with a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top of the spinach. Once that potato has drained, just pour it onto your skillet and just let it cook for a little bit. Don't disturb it too much. You can add your salt and pepper, a little bit more seasoning, and then pour your eggs over the top. Just do this in a circular motion, just sort of fill out the gaps. We're kind of making an omelette here, a little bit a cross between a hash brown and an omelette. Now we're going to add our spinach, mozzarella cheese. Now this only takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and once it's golden brown you can then start to flip it. This is a delicious snack. You can have it for breakfast, brunch or tea. It's entirely up to you. Change up the fillings. If you don't like spinach, you can add tomatoes or whatever you like. Don't forget to give this recipe a thumbs up and a like. It really does help the channel. Well, there you have it. It's a nice, it's kind of like an omelette type thing, but it's very, very cheap, and it's got some nice cheese through there. This is the 3rd potato recipe that I've done, and it's got like nice cheesy filling. Look at that, beautiful. You can add a little bit of tomato sauce to this or whatever you like. It's really simple and it's bloody cheap to make too. You can add any filling to this. I've just put some spinach and cheese because that's all I have. Everyone's got potatoes in the cupboard somewhere. 2 eggs, salt and pepper, and you don't have to flip it like I did. You can just leave it in the pan and then just put it under the broiler or under the grill to toast it a little bit, and it's absolutely delicious. Hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so on my channel. And there it is. That is my potato, call it what you will, potato omelette with a filling of your choice. You can put some chilies in there. It's your recipe. You can do whatever you like. Thanks everyone. I'll see you next week. Take care.